This crispy red pizza, super tomatoey, will drive you crazy for its flavor, speed, and simplicity. Make it with me. Let's get started. First, I add extra virgin olive oil and a bit of garlic to a small pot. And I let it brown. Once the garlic cloves are browned, I remove them. I add the tomato puree, season with salt and without covering. I let it cook for about 20 minutes on low heat. Now in a container, I put the flour, add the salt, and pour in the water. Then I mix. Then I add instant yeast and extra virgin olive oil. I stir a bit more. Now clean hands, clean. Knead for about 10 minutes. Obviously, if you prefer, you can do everything with a stand mixer. Needless to say, it saves you some effort, even though a bit of movement is always good, but it does save you some work. Perfect. Now I make a ball. See, the dough shouldn't stick to your hands now. I put it in the container, cover it with a cloth, and let it rest for about half an hour so it can cool down. The tomato puree is also perfect. After half an hour, I poke the bottom and sides of a baking pan well. I add the dough. I spread it out well. By the way, a quick tip. If you notice while spreading the dough that it doesn't stretch much and tends to shrink back, that it pulls back. Do this. Spread it out as much as possible, then let it rest for about 10 minutes, and you'll see that after 10 minutes, it will spread out perfectly. Try it. Okay, now I'm adding plenty of tomato sauce even on the edges. Then I add a little bit of oil. I put it in the oven, already nice and hot, and on the lower rack I bake it at the highest temperature in static mode at 250 degrees C for about 15 minutes. Okay, now I take it out of the oven for a moment, add a bit more tomato sauce, and I put it back in the oven for another 5-6 minutes. Here it is. Now I add a bit of oregano or some pecorino cheese. Listen to this. Let's have a little fun. Oh my. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I leave you, I'll take the opportunity to wish you a good meal.